Yes sir, it's your boy Dubzilly. Before I start this video off, I want to give a good shout out to all you guys, all my followers on Instagram, all my subscribers on YouTube. I want to shout out to all you guys for helping me reach 500 subscribers. I really appreciate it. I appreciate all the love, all those who watch my videos to the end. I really appreciate you guys. Now, as for the giveaway is going to be $300. $300, you guys can easily win that. All you got to do is follow the directions in the description, or if you want to see them better, there's a posting on my Instagram page. Hit the link in the description to my Instagram and just follow all the directions. And then by July 15th, the winner will be announced of who wins the $300. So you guys get to it, man. So now to start with the actual video, you guys see the title, you know what's going on. Well, as I explained in part one, my issue with the driver's side headlight, something happened with the module and both LEDs were pretty much fried. So I managed to get the headlight open and I popped off the halos, and this is how it looks now. For the passenger side, they are still functional. As you guys, oh my god, yo, this looks godly, bro. Look at the white. It actually looks white, but I do have a new issue now. Here are the new halos I purchased. Fine, everything works. That's not the problem. The problem is I wanted to run 4, 2 in the high beams, 2 in the low beams. But originally, the first 2 pairs that I purchased, of course, I purchased them together. So what Nick suggested was that I have to take one of each halo from each pair and then flip them so everything could actually flow in one direction. So if I set these up here, you guys see it's all flowing in one direction. It's because I took one from the other pair that would flow the same way as one from one pair, and they flow in the same direction. Now, because my driver's side halo is completely fried, I'm left with only 2 halos that flow in the same direction instead of having two halos that flow in opposite directions, which is how it would be if you just purchased the one like so. You see how these, let me try and dim it down a bit so you guys see it better. You see how these flow in different directions? Even if I put them on the same angle, they flow in different directions. My issue now is that I have 3 that flow in one direction and then 1 that flows in the opposite. And no matter which way I orientate it, it's not gonna work at all. I'm just gonna be using these 2 since they flow in opposite directions. Gonna have 1 on the passenger side, 1 on the driver's side. And in the future, I'm gonna order a next set, and then I'll be pairing those up in the high beams. So the first step to finish off the rest of this project, I'm gonna have to just tear these halos out of the passenger side and then install the new halos that I got. So I'm at a halt right now. I gotta bring my brother to his basketball game, but the halos are out. And I gotta install these ones onto those headlights, do a final test before I seal everything. Actually, I'm gonna have to open up the lens because I did do a little extra custom something to add a little sauce to the headlight lens. So I'll be back. All right, we're back. It's definitely darker outside. I'm kind of pissed. Kind of want to, you know, get this done throughout the day, but it is what it is, man. Here's a quick mock-up of the wiring I got right now. Twisted everything together, put heat shrink over the wires for when I'm ready to slide them over and seal everything. I'm gonna end up soldering them so the connection's a lot better, but here's how it's looking right now. Just gonna do another test to see if the connections are good before soldering. And then actually I'm gonna have to disconnect them and then slip it through the spot on the headlight where I want it. And then you're gonna be soldering them and all that stuff. Yes, sir. Now let's test out the turn signals. Okay. Yep. All right, other turn signal. Let's see. Nope, it's the same one. There you go. Turn signals work. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. I'm amped. Job's not done though. Still got to clean off the remainder of the housing and also clean off that clear silicone that was holding up the, not holding, but sealing up the high beam halos that were here before. And probably just gonna spray paint over it. Over here, I managed to get it off pretty decently. Like, it's still a little bit there, but I don't know what the hell happened here. But I'm gonna clean those up after. Next, I'm gonna just open up these lenses and I'll show you guys what I'm working with. So originally, I wanted to find clear lenses for this blank reflector here and also one for the taillight bulb. So I just said, screw it, I'm gonna leave it as it is. But a coworker pointed out to me, why don't you just take the original pieces and try and clear it? And I'm like, that's gonna be a difficult job because the lens is completely amber, so I don't know how I'd even like sand that all off and then clear it. But an idea did occur to me, thanks to him even bringing that point up. I decided just to paint these a different color. Here's what I got cooked up. Clean looking chrome, silverish kind of color, or just silver to be honest. But these are the two blank reflector pieces, useless. And here are the turn signal lenses, but honestly they're completely covered, but I'm not tripping because I'm going to be using the halos as turn signal. So this basically acts as a little dummy piece, but you know, something to add a little contrast to the headlight. There you go. That's how it's going to be looking, man. That's clean. You know, like those little small subtle details, that's what I love, man. That's going to look clean. Let me get these lenses back on. And then I'm gonna do one final test because I'm still hurt about how it went down last time. So I'm gonna do one final test and make sure everything is 100% functional. And then I'll seal them up and try wiring them up to the car. It is now 1 a.m. Got everything sealed up. So let's dim it down so you guys see what's going on. Yeah, look at that. Oh my God. But yeah, turn it back up. Got everything sealed up. Now it's about doing the actual wiring. Right now I just have it wired up to the little side marker bulb here. And then of course, let's test out the turn signals. That one's working. Let's try the passenger side. Also working. So we're good. We're good, but honestly, I'm gonna cap it off right here. It's not the end of the video, it's just the end of the night. I'm gonna just continue this tomorrow. I got work at 9 a.m. so like I should be sleeping right now. But I was very eager to, you know, at least get started on this project. So it's a lot less work to do tomorrow. Yeah, that's it for the night, all right? I'll be back just now. Damn, this looks like a morning in Gotham, bro. We're back. Looking clean, man, looking clean. Definitely not gonna finish it within these next few clips because this is early morning just before work. So I'm gonna try and get what I can done and then continue after work. So the next part to this project is actually getting these wired up so that the halos can actually function with the car. So how I wanna get these to function is I wanna run the red wire directly to the battery so it always has constant power. And then from the battery, I'm gonna run another wire through my firewall and to a switch, and then I want to have this of course to a ground, and then I'm going to be having these wired to my turn signals. I just got to make sure it's wired to the right turn signals. I'm pretty sure I did mark it. Yeah, this one, black stripe on it. I believe that's for the driver's side. So just going to do one final test and then I'm gonna start making some cuts and get everything wired up. Got the accessory wires wired up to the turn signals on both sides. You see, haven't gotten everything soldered yet. I did put the heat shrink over, but I haven't got it soldered yet because I want to test and see if the turn signals work, if the four ways work, power and ground. Now here, about to put it to the test. All right. Yup, there you go. There's the driver's side. Passenger side, let's go. Yes, sir. Now let me test my four ways real quick. Hold up. Yup, there you go. There. Let's go! Let's go! Sorry. I had a moment there. Reason why I'm extra amped, yes, I'm happy that I'm almost done this project, but why I'm even more amped is because I've always super doubted myself when it came to wiring jobs. Like for part one for this video and also the headlight job for the Jetta, that's why I've always gotten help. Like working with wiring has never been my strong suit, but honestly, I'm just so happy I finally got the confidence to just finish off this project myself and get everything taken care of. Now, I did notice something that just honestly pissed me off. For some reason, this has come off again, and this time I did super glue it to the shroud. So I'm gonna have to reopen this, but I'm not gonna be showing all of that. The next part will just be soldering, applying the heat shrink and wiring up the power and ground, and also getting the switch through the car, and that'll be that. But I gotta go to work now, so see you in a few hours. I'm back from work, about to start the project, but I just remembered I need to pick up something from Pt.2. My boy came just in time. Evo 10. Yeah, comfy, cozy. Oh shit,
I'll put it on after. But
yo, how much bread you drop on the whip already, bro?
I don't want to talk about it yet.
for some ring terminals and came out with a freaking torch, yo. I didn't plan this. Show you guys the evil one time, man. Yeah, don't sleep on it. Don't sleep on it. He's on the come up still. Follow that. You see the IG? Yeah, new exhaust. Yo, I need a 5-inch, bro. Hey, yo! Pause. I need a 5-inch, though. Yo, chill. Getting them ring terminals on. Almost fried myself. My dumbass bridged my socket and my wrench extension and everything between the two terminals and big ass sparks. But you know, you guys didn't have to see that one. That would have been crazy. Let's go on there, man.
Bro, taking out bumpers ain't it, bro?
1,000 bolts under here, bro.
Oh, bless! Lovely. I had to drill a hole through my... Oh, I touched the frame, so it freaking grounded. Oh, okay.
That looks like a wiring fucking nest.
Honestly, yo, I don't even think I need to run. I don't think I need to run that switch because these are controlled by Bluetooth. I'm bugging. Yo, hold on a second. Originally, I was gonna run a switch through my firewall and have that turning on and off the headlights, but I even just realized or remembered that these are activated via Bluetooth. So although it has constant power, the car is off completely right now and these are on, I could just go to the app and shut them off like that. So then it has no more power. So I'm pretty much done wiring up now. To clean everything up, I gotta solder these all so they don't get disconnected. Heat shrink, solder, heat shrink, and that's about it. And then reassemble the headlights, and yeah, got everything wired up. Heat shrink, soldered, all of that. Some areas I couldn't put the heat shrink over, so I just, you know, use a little bit of electrical tape. This one was both heat shrink and electrical tape, but anyways, for the most part, got everything wired up. Now, just gotta connect the headlights, mount everything, and we're done, bro. Wow, yo, I did it, bro. Holy fuck. White housings, yo, where do you see this? Nowhere. You don't see this, man. Woo! Yo, turn the brightness down so you guys see. Yo, this will look so much better at nighttime, but yo, holy yo, I actually did it, fam. Yo, I'm gonna super call myself out. This passenger side halo is slightly crooked. I'm not gonna lie, this is pissing me off. The passenger halo one is slightly different from the driver, but that can always get fixed later, man. This is not hard to do. But for the most part, yo, like, I got it wired up. That's the main point. I got the shit done. Been going at this shit for hours. Friday night, was working on it for I don't even know until 1 a.m. Then woke up early in the morning before work, which is today, and then right after work, back at it. Sun setting now. Like, holy, but you guys know the vibes, man. Like, comment, subscribe, share. Giveaway happening because you guys helped me reach 500 subs. So peep my Instagram. All right, link is in the description. You'll see the giveaway post. Follow the rules, and you know you have a chance to win $300, man. It's a free $300. So good luck to you guys for those who do the giveaway. Next goal to hit is at 1,000 subs. I'll have another giveaway at that, and I'm also gonna have a giveaway for when I reach 2,000 followers. So you guys hit that button, man. Shout out to my boy Jaden for bringing me to Princess Auto.
Come on.
You already know what happened at Princess Auto, so you know. yeah, you know. All right, man. You guys know the vibes, man. Stay tuned. I'm out. Hey, hold up. The new headlights got me feeling different, man. Had to switch up the logo on them, man. You ever seen a white Acura logo? You ain't never seen? Yo. Oh my God. You look at that. Ah! All right. I'm done. I'm out.